Every real man want a real woman. Every real man want a real one. Smile for me girl and come in. From your barn you're good, and you not follow them use no cream. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey Empress, Empress, you know you impress me when you're wearing that long dress, long dress. It's been on my mind for so long, I got to confess, confess. And you no need to fake this and that, yet you are the sexiest. Oh yes, oh yes.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress Day. It's always nice to have you. If you've never been here before, or if you've been and you are now returning and you have not subscribed to my channel, why not? Okay, let's be honest. You watched more than one video, you liked what you saw, and now you are back. So you might as well just hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, okay? To my returning subscribers, we are nearly at 100, y'all. I am like over the moon, like excited. I want to thank you guys again for subbing. Thank you for joining the Empress D family, and I hope you tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a family member to tell another family member to tell their friends. Okay, that's how we're going to grow this little channel and just make it like everything. Okay, so if anyone is here from my Instagram page, you would have known that I received this palette in PR. So although I received this palette in PR, I will still be giving you guys my honest opinion, because I don't do, you know, trying to make something what it is not. Okay, I don't do that. That is not me. If something's not nice, I'm gonna say it's not nice. So I received this palette in PR. Now I'm just gonna share with you guys quickly my journey, and then at the end of my video, after I've done my tutorial for this look, then I'll give you guys my opinion, and I'll also give you guys some swatches as well. Okay, right, so I just wanted to like give you some backstory about Posh culture. Not that I know that much about them, to be honest, but I followed this Instagram feature page for Caribbean MUAs. It's called Caribbean.posh.beauty. Yeah, that's what it's called. So obviously I'm from the Caribbean. I am an MUA, but basically I follow their page. Obviously I support anything that is Caribbean, and if it's not good, then obviously I will just not spend my money back there. But so far, everything that I've supported from the Caribbean is above board, you know, so I'm happy that my Caribbean people are pushing it, and we are doing absolutely amazing. I'm rambling, I'm getting off point. So basically, reel it back in. I follow Caribbean.posh.beauty, and as I was following them, I realized that they kept saying that, you know, we have a surprise for you, something's coming, etc. Then Posh culture was launched on Instagram, and obviously from the Caribbean follow, you know, like I said, and then they kept putting up like this. They kept putting up pictures, but it didn't have colors on. It was just like the picture of this, and then blurred pictures of the inside, which I'll get into in a minute. But basically, like, as soon as those colors were released, I thought, I have to have this. As soon as I realized what this was, and as soon as I realized that this lady had all the flags and stuff on there, you pretty much know that your girl had to get it. You know, I had to get it. So I was there, you know, plotting away about purchasing this, you know, can't wait for it to launch. So, you know, if any one of you follow me on my Instagram, you would also know that I'm very active as well. And I support brands, and I support my fellow MUAs online. Like, I love the little community that I have. So anyways, I saw this, and it was when they launched this, I was planning on, you know, buying it. But then before I hit the pre-order button, I saw a PR challenge, and I thought, I am going to do this, and hopefully, you know, At the time, I think I only had like 500 and something. I don't have that much now above that either. I have like 670 something. But it said that they didn't really care about the amount of followers that you had. So of course your girl applied. And when I say I applied the shit out of this, because what I did for my PR challenge is I recreated her. This is what I did. So I had my little curly hair, wasn't an afro like her. I got a crown that my partner won for Soca Monarch. Yep. I used his crown and I put the crown on my head and I painted my body in the flags. I did this. That's what I did. Yes, if you're not following me on Instagram, please make sure you do, because I don't post everything here. There are times that I feel like I don't want to film, so I will just make up my face and I'll take a picture, or I'll do like a very mini video, because you know my house is very active. My mom's here at times. My daughter is very, you know, active. She's very loud. Sometimes I can't get to film in peace, so it's not all the time that I do YouTube videos. So make sure you go ahead, if you're not following me on Instagram, and make sure you just do that now. Okay, my Instagram name is Empress D. It's below. So make sure you click that and make sure you follow me on Instagram. Okay, so now that you've seen my videos, I applied for this, and you know, I was looking at the pictures that everyone was doing, and I thought, you know, there's no way in hell that I am going to get picked, but I am going to wait until they release the names, and then I will do my pre-order if I'm not picked, you know. But I did apply myself, like I do apply myself in everything that I do, and that is exactly what I did. I thought my picture was fabulous. I thought it was A+. Okay, when I tell you that I applied myself, I applied myself. Okay, so when they did the release of the names, I was ecstatic. Like, listen, I was over the moon. So enough of me rambling, and we are just going to move on. If you want to see how I achieve this look, this bum ass look, because it is, let's be honest, tell me this isn't a look. It's a look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, just go ahead and stay tuned, and I will show you exactly what it is that I do step by step, as I normally do, minus my base, because it's all about the eyes today. Okay, guys? I am doing this very lightly because it is not a matte black. It's more like a shimmer black, and it's not like black. It's like ash black. Okay, so because it's not matte, I'm not going crazy. Like, I'm taking up the smallest amount, and I am doing this. Right guys, since this is not about my base, I am going to go and do my base, and I'll come back and I will finish up my under eye. Okay, right guys, so we are back with my base done. So while I am baking a little bit, because I don't bake much, because I don't bake bread, because I don't, and I lie, I do bake. I do bake bread, and I do bake cake, and I do bake chicken, and I do bake all that stuff, but not my face. I don't really bake that much. So I'm kind of just letting it set for a bit. I'm going to now go in and do my under eye. I'm still not really sure what I am going to do, but we are going to do something. Okay. Okay, so this is basically what I came up with. Okay, so let me just get my face together and I'll come back and I'll give you guys like my thoughts and everything on the palette. Okay, just give me a second. We are back, and this is the look that your girl came up with. I am super happy with it, and I'm super happy with this palette. As I've been, I know that it's actually the first time that I am filming about this on my YouTube channel, but when I received the palette, I did like a whole swatch review, etc. in my stories. So I mean, like I said in my intro, and I'll keep saying, if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you do. Okay, make sure you do, because everything that I don't post on here is on there. Okay, so anyways, yeah, so I did like a whole swatches, and you know, I explained what's going on with the palette, etc. So if you guys want to see that, you can always just go ahead and go on my Instagram in my stories. It will be under the PR where I went through everything. Okay, right, so this is what the palette looks like. Okay, and let's just get into these shades for a second. So we have Rum Punch, we have Walking Trophy, Ocean Blue, Royalty, Reggae, Island Gem, Coconut Milk, Paradise, Curry, Shandy, Caribbean Blue, and Black Sand. Those are the shades, and you cannot tell me that whoever came up with these names aren't creative AF. They are. So I did swatches on my Instagram page, like I keep repeating. It's repetition, okay? But I'm just gonna do some quick swatches for you guys so that you can see what it swatches like. In my opinion, this palette is very pigmented. I don't have any problems in blending or anything like that. I think that they work perfectly. Like, I absolutely love this palette, and it's very versatile. So this is the packaging with a lady representing the Caribbean, and then we have the ingredients at the back here. Now let's get into these swatches. Right, so this is Shandy right here. Then we have Walking Trophy right here. Then we have Ocean Blue right here. Then Royalty. Then we have Reggae. Then Island Gem. Then Coconut Milk, which I absolutely love. Let me just tell you, this actually looks like coconut milk, okay? You would not believe. This is Paradise right here. Then we have curry. Doesn't this actually look like curry? Every time I see this, it reminds me of like Guyanese roti. It looks like curry. Okay, then we have shandy. Then we have Caribbean blue. And then last but not least, like my absolute favorite out of this is black sand, because it really does look like the black sand on the beaches in Montserrat. I love it. Okay, so those are your swatches. Like you guys can see, it is pigmented. Okay, it is really nice. Like, I'm not just saying this because I received the NPR. It is a really nice palette, and I've done 2 looks with it already. So I did a 4th of July look with it, which I will insert here, and I also did another look with it. I don't think it was for any special reason, but I will insert it here. Okay, so this palette retails for $25 US, obviously plus shipping, and they're located in the US. Bear that in mind when ordering, if you're ordering from anywhere else. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will link the website below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Like I said, it retails for $25 US, so it's very affordable. It's affordable. Okay, it's not one of those, you know, expensive, you know, you can't afford palettes. It's affordable, and I do recommend it. Not because, like I said, it's PR, but it is good. The quality is good, the pigmentation is good, the presentation is good, packaging, everything is like 100 for me. Like I said, it is everything, you guys. So you should just go and check them out. Make sure you follow them on Instagram as well. I will link their Instagram handle below, and you can just, you know, check out, see what's going on. So go ahead and show the Caribbean people some support. Okay, just go ahead and do it. Do it for the culture. Okay, bye guys.